To allow your phone to sync Bluetooth info using Wi-Fi or mobile data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Bluetooth. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting. Tap sync with Samsung Cloud, tap sync using, and then select Wi-Fi or mobile data. By choosing this setting, now your phone can sync your paired Bluetooth devices information to Samsung Cloud by using Wi-Fi network connection or by using mobile data connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.